Hi guys and welcome to the Uma Show. After a long time, I'm doing a segment on smoothies and I get requested for it a lot on my social media. So I'm back with beauty boosting smoothie. Not one, not two, but three of them. And this segment is sponsored by Sage Appliances. Look at this, oh my God, it looks really cool, huh? So, well, I'm going to talk about this a bit later, but firstly, let's talk about smoothies. Why smoothies? Most people, including the old me, did not know that there's a direct link between the state of your digestive system and your overall health and, of course, skin and beauty. In fact, many people didn't even realize how important the gut actually is, and so many of them don't realize it yet. The majority of your immune system is located in your gut, therefore. If your gut is unhealthy, your entire body is unhealthy. For example, I previously mentioned in many of my episodes that I overcame a myriad of health and skin and emotional issues when I restored my gut. Take from it what you may, but it's been shown that 9 out of 10 people who have autism also have a gut imbalance such as leaky gut and IBS, or have a high amount of bad bacteria in their gut. There's a monumental finding. Imagine if your own health issues are a result of your gut health, and imagine how great you could feel if you fix your gut. To understand how smoothies play a role in gut health, you may have to know the causes of gut imbalances. The first is an overworked digestive system. Just like you need a break from work, so does your digestive system. Imagine how would you feel if you work 24/7. You would be exhausted, right? As does your digestive system if you don't give it a break. Smoothies allow your digestive system to rest while still giving it the nutrients it needs. Allowing your digestive system to rest also conserve tons of energy. Toxicity is also a cause of gut problems. Toxicity is in the foods we eat, the beauty products we apply, and even the air we breathe. All of those toxins bombard our gut. And if your gut is already overworked, these toxins can cause major problems. Smoothies provide your body with the nutrients it needs to work properly so that it's able to self-cleanse and push out toxins. Consuming natural seasonal foods, a pre-digested form, will allow you to access the rocket fuel energy that seems only attainable with a cup of coffee. You'll also be able to live better because your gut is healthy. You'll ditch the under-eye pillows, experience vibrant energy, shiny hair, better moods, and glowing skin, and lose those pounds too. So today I'm going to show you 3 beauty boosting smoothies. They are very simple smoothies with very simple ingredients. Let's start the first one. I have named it Clear Skin Smoothie. The first ingredient is coconut water. Coconut water could do wonders for your skin and help induce a youthful glow. Coconut is known to have cytokinins in it, which is a well-known anti-aging agent. Besides this, it also hydrates your skin to make it more radiant and firm. Mix berries. Berries may help reduce skin wrinkling as their antioxidants help control free radicals, one of the leading causes of skin damage that contributes to aging. Macadamia milk or any plant-based milk. Compared to other nuts, macadamia are higher in fat. However, registered dietitian Maggie Moon, MSRD, says those are mostly monosaturated fats, which have been proved to reduce oxidative stress, insulin resistance, inflammation, and even signs of aging. Next up is chia seeds. They are loaded with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that fight aging, soothe inflammation, reduce acne scars, and keep skin radiant and healthy. Sunflower seeds. One of the best benefits of eating sunflower seeds is that it's brimming with selenium, which is an important component when it comes to repairing damaged cells. It also contains a high percentage of vitamin E, and that is vital to produce collagen and elastin. These keep your skin taut and firm by preventing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to maintain a youthful glow. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds have a lot of zinc, which helps maintain skin elasticity and promotes healthy hair. Last but not the least, mint leaves. Mint leaves have antibacterial properties that also contain salicylic acid, both of which can be used for preventing as well as treating the breakouts on the skin. So let's start. I am going to add all these ingredients into this very slick looking sage blender, and I'm going to talk about the blender very soon. So mixed berries, raspberries, blueberries and strawberries. Then I'm going to add the mint leaves. The sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. These are almost 1.5 tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. I'm going to add the milk. I'm using macadamia milk. You can use any plant-based milk. And then, last but not the least, some coconut water, fresh coconut water. All the ingredients are inside, as you can see, and I'm going to start blending it and fix it. And since it's a sage blender, it's a smart blender. It also has an option for smoothie. And I'm going to press on that. My smoothie is ready. Okay. Yum. Looks good. Let's try. Delicious. And light. I can taste the seeds, the chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, coconut water, and all the berries. Delicious. Clear skin smoothie. Try it and let me know how it goes. Let's move on to my second smoothie. It's called Green Glow, and the first ingredient is kiwi. Basically, the vitamin C present in the fruit heals the skin. Vitamin C is known to repair skin damage, whether it's UV damage or skin abrasions. Vitamin C can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals too. Second ingredient is an orange juice or oranges. The free radicals in this fruit will definitely reduce the sagging of cheeks and reduce the wrinkles significantly. You can also use the peels for a mask. And the third one is baby spinach. Incorporating spinach into your skincare routine and diet is helpful for your skin, hair, and bone health because it helps reduce inflammation, including breakouts, and provides you with vital nutrients. Spinach contains vitamins, namely vitamin A, C, and K, which work together to help your skin enhance its radiance, heal from scars or sun damage, and fortify its natural barrier. Another ingredient, it's an interesting ingredient in a smoothie, parsley. The vitamin C in parsley helps in slowing down aging. It works by fighting free radicals that cause oxidative stress. The nutrients also helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps in cell repair and stimulates collagen production. This helps the skin look supple and young. Next up is avocado. Avocados are also enriched with vitamin C, amounting to 17% recommended daily intake, and vitamin E, again fulfilling about 17% recommended daily intake. Both vitamin C and E are vital to support healthy skin and prevent it from free radical activity. Last but not the least, some organic ginger, refined ginger, which is made up of active plant cells from the medicinal Asian ginger plant, was reported to improve the skin structure of women who had skin issues. Interesting, right? So let's make this smoothie. So in Sage Blender, I have another attachment and I'm going to use this. This is specifically for a smoothie. Let's start. I'm going to add the spinach leaves first, baby spinach, and then the avocados, and then the kiwis. This smoothie is so nutritious, filled with antioxidants, some parsley, ginger, and orange juice. If you don't want orange juice, you can simply add water. I'm actually going to add a little bit of water because it has avocado and I want the consistency to be a little thinner. So I did that. This is the attachment. I'm going to fit this in and goes inside. So I'm going to switch this on, and as you can see, I have a button for smoothie specially. So I'm going to press this. And then it stops automatically and starts again. So my smoothie is ready and I'm going to take it out and open this. And either I pour it in the glass or you can also carry it with you with this lid. But right now I'm going to taste it. This is so delicious. I can taste all the ingredients: avocado, parsley very clearly, very distinctly, as well as orange juice, ginger. It's delicious. It's a bit sour, but I like it. I love that taste. Filled with vitamin C and vitamin E, guys. Cheers. Make this one and let me know how it goes. I love it. So my third smoothie is called Stay Youthful Smoothie, and it has first ingredient, dates. My favorite, delicious. I love dates. Dates are an excellent source of vitamin C and D, which helps to maintain your skin elasticity and keeps your skin smooth. Dates also come with anti-aging properties and prevent the accumulation of melanin. Did you know that? Walnuts. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts boost your skin's vitamin B levels, which is responsible for improving your skin health by combating wrinkles and fine lines. Third one, cacao. You can either use cacao powder or nibs. I'm using nibs because I have run out of cacao powder. The high level of antioxidants protect and repair the skin from damage and premature aging. And as a potent anti-inflammatory, it soothes redness and blemishes, improving the skin's complexion. Vanilla essence. I'm using organic vanilla extract. Vanilla is rich in antioxidants again, which neutralizes free radicals and reverse skin damage caused by them. It helps to slow down signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Next up is cinnamon. We already know so many good properties of cinnamon, right? The antifungal, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties of cinnamon makes it useful against acne and skin blemishes. Cinnamon can also help improve acne by drying out the skin and by supporting blood flow to the skin. And the most interesting ingredient in this smoothie is Indian gooseberries, amla it's also called. It purifies blood and fights toxins, which helps you get a beautiful and radiant skin. The rich antioxidants of amla also help delay the effects of premature aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and give you a young and supple skin. So let's start. I'm going to add 3 big Majdool dates, goes in, the walnuts go in, cacao nibs, all of them around. This is 1.5 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and these are 2 Indian gooseberries without the seeds. Vanilla extract, just maybe 1 teaspoon, yeah. Okay. And I'm using plant-based milk. This is macadamia. You can use any other. And maybe little, very little water. And goes my smoothie. And put the lid on properly, make sure it fits well, and you switch on the blender and then just press smoothie. And here goes the smoothie. Da 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 da. The color is nice and chocolatey. Let's try it. So good, really so good. And my team is laughing. So good. Dates, I can taste very distinctly. Cacao, of course, and the flavor is amazing. Gooseberries, wow. With vanilla essence and macadamia milk. Perfect smoothie. It is delicious and boy, good for your skin. Cheers. Sage the Super Q. Commercial grade blender designed for the home kitchen. With the most powerful motor, personal blender attachment, and noise suppression technology, the Super Q improves versatility and delivers an advanced texture optimization for smoother and softer texture. Super quick and powerful. With a powerful 2400 watt motor, the Super Q has the highest possible motor rating. Personal blender attachment. The Super Q comes with an additional blade system to mix food and drinks directly into a personal blender cup. So you can have your drinks on the go and blend smaller amounts of food into a small vessel. It features an intelligent base that automatically recognizes the vessel and optimizes performance, whether you use the 2-liter jug or the personal blending on the go cup. 5 one-touch programs. One-touch programs feature optimized time and speed to produce the tastiest results. Enjoy silkier smoothies and smoother green smoothies thanks to the 2 smoothie programs. Turn ice into snow with Pulse and Ice Crush. Get creative with the frozen dessert function or make fast hot cold to hot soups easily with the Soup One Touch program. What an amazing blender. Breville is now Sage.